Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic problem, and here we have a plus b equals to 2 and a multiplied by b equals to 3, and here we find the value of a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5. So the very first step we are going to do is, here first we call this as equation number 1 and we call this as equation number 2. So now first we focus on equation number 1, and here we first take the square of equation number 1 on both of the sides, and we write it as a plus b whole square equals to 2 square. So after that we use the nice square identity in the left hand side, and it will be written as a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab equals to, we have the square of 2 becomes 4. So now we use equation number 3, equation number 2, and in equation number 2 we have the value of ab equals to 3. So we use this value in this equation, and it will becomes a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab, and the value of ab is 3, and this whole equals to 4. And now in the next step we need to more simplify this equation, and now we find the value of a square plus b square. So here you multiply 2 times of 3 and it will become 6, and we move this 6 to the right hand side and it will becomes 4 minus 6. So here 4 minus 6 equals to minus 2. So this is the value of a square plus b square, and we call this as equation number 3. So in the next step we again focus on equation number 1, and now we will take the cube on equation number 1 on both of the sides. Here we take the square on both of the sides, but now we take the cube on equation number 1 of both of the sides, so that we will get a plus b whole cubed equals to 2 cubed. So now we take a cube on both of the sides of equation number 1, and here we use the cubic identity, cubic formula. So you know that about cubic formula, it is equals to a cubed plus b cube plus 3 times of ab into a plus b, and this whole equals to 2 cubed, and we know that 2 cube equals to 8. So now here we use the value of ab and a plus b from equation number 1 and equation number 2. So here you see that this is 1, and in which we have a plus b equals 2, and in equation number 2 we have ab equals to 3. So we use these two values in this equation, and we get a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 times of ab, and our ab is 3, and a plus b equals to 2, and this whole equation equals to 8. So now we will simplify this equation, and we get the value of a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 times of 3 is 9, and 9 2s are 18, and this whole equals to 8. And now we move this 18 to the right hand side, and we get the value of a cubed plus b cubed equals to 8 minus 18, and 8 minus 18 equals to minus 10. So this is the value of a cubed and b cubed, and we call this as equation number 4. So now we move towards our main target. So our target is to find the value of a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5, so that in order to find this value we need to multiply equation number 3 and equation number 4. So here we just write multiplying equation number 3 and equation number 4. So here we multiply both of these equations, and we get its output in this form. So we have equation number 3 is a square plus b square, and equation number 4 is a cubed plus b cubed, and it is equals to minus 2 times of minus 10. So now in the next step we need to simplify this equation. So now first we multiply these two factors, and we multiply a square by a cubed. So you write it as a square times of a cubed plus a square times of b cubed, and a cubed times of b square plus b cubed times of b square equals to minus 2 times minus 10 becomes plus 20. So now in the next step, here you see that bases are same, so we add its exponents. So when we add the exponents, it will becomes a to the power of 5 plus here we have a square times of b cubed plus here now we write a cubed times of b square plus here again we have bases are same, so we add its exponents and it will becomes b to the power of 5, and this whole equation equals to 20. So now in the next step we rearrange the terms and we combine a to the power of 5 and b to the power of 5, and here in from these terms we will take common a square and b square. So when we take common a square here, then we get b cubed, and when we take common a square here and b square, then we will get, so when you take common a square and b square, then we obtain in this case b, and in this case we get a, and this whole equals to 20. And now here we again need equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from equation number 1 we have the value of a plus b is 2, and equation number 2 we have the value of a and b is 3. So we put these values here and we get a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5 plus we have the value of a b is 3, but here you have a square b square, we will write the square of 3, and a plus b equals to 2, and this whole equation equals to 20. So now we simplify the terms and we have a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus here you have 3 squared equals to 9 times of 2, and this whole equals to 20. So now we multiply this 9 times of 2 and we obtain a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus 18, and this whole equals to 20. So now we move this 18 to the right hand side and we get a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 equals to 20 minus 18, and you know that 20 minus 18 becomes 2. So this is the value of a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.